Kicking off your morning with a glass of warm water is a wonderful habit that helps your body restore its fluid levels after sleep. Warm water makes your blood less thick and boosts circulation. However, it's crucial to know when and how to drink water properly, so it helps you rather than harms you. What mistakes do people often make when drinking water? Hello, friends. Today, we'll discuss how warm water on an empty stomach can be both beneficial and potentially harmful. Stay with us until the end, because we'll be covering a very important topic. About 70% of our body is composed of water, and lacking it causes serious problems. Doctors link issues like migraines, arthritis, obesity, hemorrhoids, breast cancer, sinusitis, and kidney stones directly to insufficient water intake. That's why you need to drink 30 to 40 milliliters of water for each kilogram of body weight per day. For example, a person weighing 70 kilograms requires about 2 liters of water. If you sweat a lot or lead an active lifestyle, you'll need even more. That first morning glass of water affects not only your productivity and how you feel, but also how you handle every activity for the rest of the day. Many of us have a routine: breakfast, some music, a contrast shower, or a cup of coffee. But is that enough for a complete wake-up call? Experts strongly advise swapping your morning coffee for a glass of warm water on an empty stomach. How and when to drink warm water. Common mistakes. Warm water on an empty stomach produces maximum benefits when you follow a few guidelines. Number 1. Have a glass of water about an hour before bedtime. While you sleep, your body works hard repairing tissues and clearing out waste products. Drinking water before bed helps your kidneys flush out accumulated toxins and keeps you hydrated through the night. This can speed up cellular recovery and improve sleep quality. Just be careful not to drink too much, or you'll have to wake up to use the bathroom, disrupting your rest. Number 2. Spread out your water intake throughout the day. Avoid gulping down large amounts of water in one go. Drinking regularly and in small portions keeps you hydrated and eases the workload on your heart and kidneys. It also supports better brain and muscle function, because even minor dehydration can cause fatigue or slow thinking. By sipping water gradually, your body absorbs it more effectively, helping you feel energized and mentally alert. Number 3. Choose water that isn't too cold. Ice-cold water may seem refreshing, but it can actually disrupt your digestion. Cold water slows down your body's digestive process and forces your organs to warm it up. Opting for warm or room temperature water aids digestion, reduces the risk of cramps, and prevents sudden chills. It also helps keep your body temperature stable and improves circulation, easing the strain on your immune system and overall digestive function. Number 4. Avoid drinking large amounts of water while you eat. Drinking too much water during a meal dilutes your stomach acid, making it harder for the body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Instead, have water about 30 minutes before or an hour after meals. This supports smoother digestion and eases the bloated, heavy feeling some people get. It can also help reduce heartburn and boost overall comfort after eating. Number 5. Drink water according to your body weight. It's not about drinking more water, but the right amount for your needs. Multiply your weight by 30 to 40 milliliters to determine your daily water intake. For example, a person weighing 70 kilograms should drink about 1.5 to 2 liters of water each day. If you're very active or have a physically demanding job, you'll need even more. This ensures you avoid both dehydration and overhydration, helping your body function at its best. Number 6. Stay hydrated before you exercise or do anything active. Drinking water beforehand helps your muscles perform better and prevents cramps. It also keeps your electrolyte levels balanced. These are key chemicals that power muscle movements and brain signals. Sufficient hydration before workouts can extend your endurance and minimize fatigue or injuries. Plus, staying hydrated helps your body cool itself, preventing overheating and sickness. Number 7. Drink slowly and mindfully. How you drink water is as critical as how much you consume. Sipping slowly instead of chugging allows your body to absorb water more evenly, ensuring effective hydration and overall well-being. This mindful approach also prevents bloating, which can happen if you drink too fast. You'll feel better and enjoy all the benefits of proper hydration. Number 8. Choose clean water. Quality is crucial. Drinking water with impurities can harm your organs and overburden your immune system, leading to chronic health problems. Opt for spring or filtered water, rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium. This type of water helps keep you healthy for the long run and strengthens your immune system. Number 9. Sit down while drinking. Studies show that when you stand and drink, water quickly bypasses the stomach and heads to the intestines. In a seated position, fluid remains in the stomach, mixing with acids and offering better protection against germs, reducing the risk of conditions like cholera. Number 10. Don't replace water with other drinks. Water isn't the same as tea, coffee, or juice. Even mineral water or herbal teas can have a diuretic effect. In the morning, your body specifically needs plain water. Benefits of warm water in the morning. Below are 8 main reasons why warm water can be so beneficial. Number 1. Improves digestion. Warm water helps your digestive system break down food more effectively. If you drink cold water right after a meal, fats solidify and slow down digestion. Number 2. Speeds up metabolism. Water on an empty stomach jumpstarts your metabolism, providing energy with little effort. This helps burn calories more efficiently. Number 3. Fights constipation. Hard to digest foods can cause bloating and discomfort. A glass of warm water stimulates the intestines and eases constipation. Number 4. Relieves pain. Warm water can be a simple remedy for menstrual cramps or headaches by relaxing muscles, improving blood flow, and reducing spasms. Number 5. Helps with weight loss. Warm water raises your body temperature slightly, boosting your metabolism to burn more calories. It also positively affects your stomach and kidneys. Lemon intensifies this effect. Number 6. Improves circulation. Warm water flushes out toxins and fats, purifying your blood and fortifying blood vessels. This supports overall heart and vascular health. Number 7. Slows aging. Drinking warm water in the morning expels toxins that accumulate with age and hasten aging. It rejuvenates skin cells, enhances elasticity, and helps you look more toned. Number 8. Offers an energy boost and better health. Warm water activates the circulatory, lymphatic, immune, and urinary systems, raising energy, lifting mood, and improving productivity. It also relieves muscle aches, including migraines. Possible contraindications. Although warm water rarely causes side effects, people with chronic kidney conditions, high blood pressure, or frequent swelling should consult a doctor to determine a safe amount of fluid intake. If you have gallstones, monitor your water intake carefully. All the positive effects described above apply exclusively to pure warm water. Hot tea, herbal infusions, or coffee won't provide the same results. By following these tips, you can get the most out of water while avoiding any potential downsides. The simple habit of drinking warm water on an empty stomach can notably boost your well-being and overall health. The key is to drink it properly, taking into account your body's unique needs. That concludes our video for today. We've aimed to bring you the most helpful information so you can start using these ideas tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next round of valuable tips. Thank you for watching, friends. We'll see you next time, and here's to great health.